Oh, there's one. Nice one. Oh, yeah. That's a good one. Hey, what's up, guys? Gonna be going out, doing a quick little fishing mission. They're hitting topwater like crazy. It's a lot of fun, so we're gonna see what we can do. What is up, party people? Curious to see if they like... Oh, there's one. What are you? Little largy. Little largy. Actually, it might be a spotted. Oh, there's a bigger one right below him. Oh my goodness. Oh, they're trying to get it. Oh my goodness. There's a much bigger one right below him. Ay. No, that's a little largy. Get some sun on him. Put you back. Ew. Good to know. They do like the baby bull shad. Another one. They're just sitting in that corner. I'm just trying to let them get their frustration out. Don't want them to do that. I was in the boat. That definitely counts. They want the spook. There's one. Largy. Little largy. Barely hooked. No, don't do that. Don't do that. Baby largy. Spotted. Ew! There's one. See him? Get in the boat. Hey, hold him up like Simba. Hopefully you can see him. I'm not sure what you can see. Nice little guy. Oh, there's some out there. There he is. You ready? A 1 and a 2 and a U. Oh, there's one. Nice one. Oh, yeah. That's a good one. Don't spit me. Oh, yeah. That's why we came over here. That's a solid one. Can you see that? That is a solid fish. Let's get a weight on you. Dip you in the water real quick. 2.9 and 5/8. Definitely, yeah, I probably would have called it 3. Get one good look at him. Solid fish. All right, and back you go. 1 and a 2 and a U. See him? There's one. I wasn't even looking. Yeah, he is shaking his head. Yep. Little guy. Little guy. Bud's not happy. There's another one. I don't know if you can see him. Hopefully. Simba him. There he is. Ready? A 1 and a 2 and a U. Go. Oh. That one felt strange. Yeah, there's one. Oh, that's a pretty good one. Peel and drag. Okay. So they're further out. Oy. Nice. on the crawdad. New jig. Barely hooked. I mean, just about as barely hooked as you get. It's probably a pounder. Just to make sure you can actually see him. Not a bad one at all. And a mouth shot. Ooh, mean mouthing. Okay, you ready? 01. Should we get a weight on him? Let's see. I bet he's a pound and a half. Yeah, 1.7. Alright. You ready? Let's see. Here you go. Oh yeah. Oh no, we got him. Little baby wiper, or white bass. I think he can. I got like poop on him. I think he pooped himself. Okay, get back. See you, little fella. Oh, that was a hit. That was a big hit. See if he comes back. Maybe there's like a tree or something under there. Because that was the second time I got stopped. Definitely on the ground. Oh, that's a fish. Oh, that's a big fish. Oh, that's a big fish. Oh my. Goodness. Oh, you're seeing this? Don't do that. In the boat. Nice. That may be a 4-pounder. Barely freaking hooked. That's probably a 3. Good fish. Let's back up here. Solid fish. Let's get a weight on you. Oop. 3 pounds. Solid. Mouth shot. Hell yeah, brother. Let's get you back. Okay. Ready? Oh, water's definitely a little chillier here. Back here. You see him? One more mouth shot. Oh, he's ready. Ready? Here he goes. Bye-bye. Thanks for playing. Is he swimming at me? Oh yeah, he's... A crappie? Wait. It is a crappie. It's a freaking bee. Will you leave, please? Goodness gracious. Do you want the fish? What? Do you see this bee? Okay. Little crappie. He's not expecting a crappie. See you later, friend. Ew. So let's see, we caught a white bass, a largemouth, and an El Crapo. Pretty okay with me. We're almost home anywho, so we're probably gonna die in 3, 2, 1.